There is a place like no other in the world of interior textiles. A place so unique it can't be missed. Heimtextil in Frankfurt. Experience the powerful connections that make Heimtextil so special. From new products to knowledge and contacts, everything is woven perfectly together for your benefit. Dive deep into the mind of Patricia Occhiola, one of the world's most influential designers. You'll be blown away by how she redefines textile design, making it more immersive and sustainable than ever before. Only at Heimtextil, you can see and feel this kind of magic. You can hear and learn what will amaze us tomorrow and grow your business. Only here, you are connected to the world's widest variety of home textiles. Textiles are connected to trends, trends to design, design to sustainability, and sustainability to your business. And you are connected to an exciting future. That's Heimtextil. Get connected by textiles.